In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light switch on your Ford Taurus. It's located on the driver's side on your brake pedal. Using an 8mm socket or wrench, you're going to disconnect your negative battery terminal. Loosen it, and then put it off to the side. Make sure it's not touching any metal. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut the zip tie. I'm going to unravel that. I'm going to unclip this like so. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is take this harness out of the bracket back here with a trim tool. And that'll allow us to bring this down and work on the wire a little easier. So here we are. Now we're going to take out the cotter pin. And pull this off. All right, so I'm going to go back to where we were when this came out. I'm going to lower this down a little bit. I'm going to take off the white washer that's on the inside here. We're going to replace that with a new one. I'm going to put a new one on. This black piece goes in here. The switch goes over it. And then you're going to slide it over the pedal. Feed it through. Put the white washer on the other side. And then put the cotter pin on. All right, our brake light switch also comes with a harness in case you need it. Our harness underneath seems fine and intact, and our connector is not broken, so we're just going to use what we have there. But if you do need this because your connector is broken, maybe the tab on it's broken, maybe the wiring is frayed or something, so you can use this. If you need help figuring out how to splice wires together, you can refer to our channel. We have a video on that as well. So now we're just going to plug in our switch. So line up your connector. Hear the click, know that it's plugged in good. And then we're going to reattach our harness up top. If you took yours down to splice it. If not, then you never had to take this down. But it's good to check to make sure your harness is okay. I'm just going to push that back where it lives. Get your wires out of the way. I don't recommend wrapping them around the way that they had them here, just because the more you move wires around, the more they're going to break on the inside. Make sure you connect your negative battery terminal after you're done, and then hit the brake pedal up against a wall, or have a friend or someone help you see if your brake lights work when you hit the brake pedal. You're going to take your negative battery terminal and put it on, push it down, and use an 8mm socket. And tighten it wrist tight. Make sure it's not moving, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.